Sanibonani, igama nguThabusindo Ntombi yaZonata ehlala eMelika. I'm going to show you guys how to apply Workaway because there are positions available for 2026 to 2027. Steps zakho sokuqala ungena Google wakho ufike ubhale ukuthi thabusindwenhle.com njengoba ubona la. Mangabe usungenile, ikufaka straight on the website and this is what the website looks like. Guys, straightforward into yala. Yeah, uzodideka. So Workaway lapha phezulu, but here I was just showing you guys website. So now Workaway ngiyamchofa and then you go all the way down. Abantu abaziyo la ekhaya sigcina into ethi apply here. Nangu apply here. Ngasusungesikhathi ngiyamchofa and then this is what it looks like. Masusungenile kuona. This is going to be a very long application, so I'm just making sure ukuthi wonke umuntu aware. Uchofa lapha phezulu apply and then you press South Africa, specifically if you are from South Africa. And then they tell you ama steps ukuthi number 1 uzoqala ufake CV, number 2 bese wenza steps akhe silandelayo mangabe CV yakho sebeyitholile, this is what happened. So they're basically telling you about the application as a whole ukuthi ihamba kanjani. Yeah, and then ekugcineni step number 8 lapha ezansi usuhamba ke usuya eAmerica. Okay, so you press lapha apply application form noma online form and then ikufaka straight on the application or online form, which is this one. Mangabe usufikile lana, guys, I just want to make things clear, guys. Kule application angizukubhala my details and kwezinye indawo ngizoshiya ku-empty because I do not and I cannot upload my personal forms or application. For instance, like faka khona i-resume, i-CV ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukufaka i-CV yami, but I'm going to show you guys how to upload kanjani. Anyways, we answer ke lapha umbuzo uqala, are you South African? Lapha bese uyafaka ukuthi yebo uyi South African citizen or resident njengoba ngichofile lapha, and then upload lapha kuthiwa upload a video of yourself explaining why you want to go for a program. Uzochofa lapha uyamcibisholo bese uya-upload i-video yakho kanjalo nala upload current color professional resume uya-uploada. Basically nje konke lapha phezulu like kuthiwa khona faka i-passport yakho, uchofa leyo mcibisholo or uchofele eseceleni uthathe isithombe se-CV yakho or whatever document that you're uploading. Okay, and then personal information, are you a South African or a South African resident? Uthi yebo makukuthi you are a South African resident. Are you between the ages of 18 to 35? How am I, guys? But you guys can see this because una 18 to 35 yebo noma cha, una matric yebo noma cha, uthi noma ngana uma una uthi yes. Igama laphayana, first name, middle name, surname, igama ngibhala uSemu, and middle name ngisacabanga la ukuthi nkosami ngizobhala igama elithini, ngagcina ngibhala uAmy. And then isibongo ngabhala ukuthi Smith, and then date of birth. Wena ke nkosami awubhali njalo lemininingwane zokubhala yakho. Date of birth then uzobusiyafaka nalana futhi bengicabanga ukuthi ngizofaka i-date of birth ethini, ngagcina nje ngiscribrishile, yabo. So wena uzofaka yakho ukuthi uzalwa ngo-April mhla ka-30 or mhla ka-10, and then unyaka 95, 96, 97, whichever year ozalwa ngawo. Mina nje ngenzela wena isibonelo la. Please don't mind let elibele inyaka zapha escreenini ukuthi ngisebenzisa i-iPen yami so ibuye yenze umsangano. What is your current age? Uzobhala ke lapho uthuna ngaki, identification number, ID yakho leyo nkosiyami uzobusiyafaka inamba zakhe ezididinza kwi-ID, mina ngifaka 00 just to carry on with the application. Do you have a valid passport? Uzobusiyafaka i-passport yakho uthi yebo, and then ngezansi bese bethifaka i-passport number, so bese uyayifaka njengoba ngenza nje la. And then material status, are you single, married, divorced, engaged, whatever the case is, uyafaka. I-sex yakho, are you female or a male? Inamba yakho ese-South Africa, and then bafuna i-current number, bafuna i-current work number, ngagcwalisa ke lapha no 0000, wena uzofaka inamba yakho njalo. And then ngezansi email address, uzofaka i-email address yakho yezo wena mina nje ngibhalile ukuthi samsmith@gmail.com. And then I feel like fast forward like ngiyasheshisa. Okay, bese wehlala ngezansi, are you currently in South Africa? Mangokuthi use South Africa njengamanje umenza le application yakho uzothi yebo, mangokuthi already mhlambe ukwelinye izwe uzothi cha. So nearest city ngifake uCape Town, kodwa ke lapha guys kubhaliwe Cape Town, Johannesburg, Durban, uzobususho ukuthi wena uhlala kuphi. Then you answer the following questions. Interview yakho uzoyenzela kuphi? Mawukuthi uyayithola interview, have you ever worked for uWorkaway before? Uzothi yebo noma cha, ukuthi awukazi uzothi no njengoba ngifakile nami lapha. How did you hear about us? Nala bengisacabanga ukuthi ngizothini konje because I don't see TikTok, but anyways, ungafaka noma yini face ukuthi uzwe Facebook, Instagram, a friend, usungasho ukuthi a friend bese kuyabuza ukuthi ubani igama lomngane wakho bese ubhala mina Thabusi Ntwenhle @gmail. And then are you applying with a friend or a partner? Uzothi cha, uzi-applyela wena, awu-applyela umngane wakho, awu-apply futhi nomngane wakho. Are you currently a student? Uzothi cha, boma kukuthi awusona student, which I recommend. Ubhala ukuthi cha. Are you currently available to depart from October 1, 2026? Kulo nyaka ngo-October, but uzokwazi yini ukuthi uhambe? Mangathi uyaqashwa uzokwazi ukuhamba ngo-October mhla 1, 2026. Uzothi yebo. Nearest consulate Cape Town. Citizenship South Africa. Uzofaka lapha South Africa njengoba nami ngifaka. Country of citizenship uzofaka South Africa again. Do you hold citizenship of any other country? Makukuthi unabo obunye ubuzo bakulenye izwe uzobusuyafaka ukuthi yebo. Uma unganabo ungwasa-South Africa nje kuphela uzothi chabo. Current address. Sorry ma, this was so stressful and annoying. Ngiqale ngazama ukuyibhala ngepeni qala engavuma. Anyways, so I was just guessing any address engayifaka khona lapha, so ngifakile ukuthi Inanda, and then street address, street and number in street bese uyafaka inumber in street. Guys, I don't really have to explain la le part nje guys, afanele ngi-explain but nje niyayazi nani, yabo niyayazi. So let's try to skip that. I'm not sure if kuzokwenzeka yini. No, because the video okay, well, city or ngiphamanisile lapha postal code uzobhala i-postal code yalapho Enanda 4310, and then ufake i-province uthi kuphi KwaZulu-Natal, i-city or town eThekwini, and then a suburb town or township name Inanda. Bese uyehla or country South Africa again. Maguguti are from South Africa, but there are different countries there, so specifically this one is for South Africans. Family information. Uzobusuyafaka ke lapha abafuna i-father's name, your mother's name. Uzobusuyafaka imininingwane yabazali bakho ukuthi mina uma wami igama lakhe ubani. Or laphayana guys bengikhohlwe ukubhala uNanda, so that's why I was rewriting that. So yeah, your father's name uyabhala laphayana bengazuthi ngibhale bani, so I was just like trying to find igama, yabo. And then isibongo Sam, and then isibongo it's Smith, and then inumber. Please make sure yabo la kuvele flag lase America kaswa +1 wena you need to change that ukuze ukwazi ukufaka inumber yakho South Africa. +27, which is our area code South Africa, you need to change laphayana ucinge lama flag njengoba ngicinga nangu South Africa, and then iyashintsha ithi +2, and then ufaka inumber kababa wakho ngoba kufunakala uma unganayo futhi ubaba o mhlambe akasekho emhlabeni, whatever the case is, you just write NA ayikho. They're not going to penalize you because of lezo zinto. And then mother's contact kanjalo nala futhi imininingwane kama wakho, your mother's name, basically your parents' details. Ufaka inumber. Do not forget to change the area code from +1, which is an American area code, to +27, which is a South African area code. Okay, and then emergency contact. Uma ngabe kushona noma kukhona into eyenzakala kuwena la for emergency purposes, bafuna ukuthi ufake ukuthi ubani esingamfonela kini noma oseduze kwakho, who's your emergency contact. Usuyafaka ke laphana ngifake mina igama ngathi Sam Smith. Lapha ngaphezulu bekade ngithe Sam Smith baba wakho angithi remember. So now I'm going to write ukuthi parent, wena uzobhala noma ubani ke omthembayo wazi ukuthi mangathiwa khona into eyenzakala kumina usibani bani nje ofanele bamfonele. Ufake inumber yakhe, option number 1, 2 and 3. Yasemsebenzini, yasekhaya, and their personal number. And then Visa details. Have you ever been in the USA? Makuthi wake waza la uzobusuthi yebo, uma ungakaze uzothi no. Have you ever issued a visa? Chabo. Have you ever been denied a visa? Chabo. Do you have siblings or your parents live abroad abahlala la e-America? Uzothi chabo. Makuthi abekho. Maybe khona njalo ube neqiniso, because one way or the other they are going to find out. So please make sure that you are truthful when it comes to these questions, because it's immigration questions. Are you currently employed? Yebo noma chabo. Uma kuwukuthi uqashwe nini, uzogcina nini emsebenzini. So uyabhala i-position okuyona, and then isikhathi esingakanani, what is your preferred position or you're applying for. Njengoba wenza le application u-applyela in. Nalana guys, I was just choosing anything honestly. So ngifakile laphaya ukuthi ngi-applyela kwi-category under yokupheka, and then ngasangabhala ukuthi chef ngezansi. So I was just trying to look for it specifically. Ngiyabona siyabona ngikhathele. Excuse me, do you have formal experiences, preferred position? Example, basibakufakela ukuthi mhlawumbe ufuna uku-apply so ngasengafaka line cook, sushi. Bese bayafala ukuthi unayo experience, yebo noma cha, uthi yes, and how many months or years of experience uzobusiyakhetha. Are you applying for a golf attendant position? Ngathi chabo, because again ngifakile lapha phezulu ngathi chef. Angithi medical history. Have you ever had TB? Wake waba na TB? Chabo. Suffered depression, anxiety, panic attack? Uzothi chabo. Have you ever diagnosed with psychological and whatever uzothi chabo. Wonke lama lezinto ebhalwe lapha. Makuwukuthi guys akwazi na, kodwa makuwukuthi wake walukhuzo wadiagnoswa ngayo, please be honest and be truthful about lezo zinto zibalulekile, because when they want history yakho, your medical history, sekutholakala ukuthi lezi zinto ke waba nazo, you'll be in trouble, because uzotholakala njengomuntu onganalo iqiniso, you know. So yeah, are there any food, beverages, products that you cannot work with or serve? Uzothi chabo. Makuwukuthi kunjalo wena uzaziyo. Basically nje chabo bonke lapha, nokuthi wake waboshwa yini, wawuboshwelani nini, zonke lezo zinto lezo. So ufaka uchacha, unless you have been arrested before, then uzofaka ukuthi yebo, bese uyafaka izizathu ukuthi wawuboshweleni. Please be truthful again with these things. Then uyafaka laphana, uyasayina terms and conditions, emva lokho ufaka i-signature yakho, and then ufake le code ebhalwe lapho, which is T91GDS. Eyakho ngizifaneke neyami, bazokunikeza a different one. Uzosufaka le code le ebhalwe laphaya. Mangabe usuyifakile, then you submit iform lakho la upressa nanti usubmit laphaya ezansi. Also, you can press i-button elimnyama to review i-application yakho, just to ubone ukuthi ayikhona into emissing out. So again, ama-details engiwafake la, remember ama-details are wrong in a number, like phone numbers ngafaka 000, just because I was just showing you guys ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani. ID number ngafaka 00. Laphaya i-CV nayo yonke into angiyifakanga, you know. I was just showed you guys ukuthi uchofa umcibisholo bese uya-upload. So angeke izihambe mangithi submit, izolokhu ngibuyisela emuva laphaya phezulu. Yabo, I'm going to do it again so I can show you guys. Mangichofa submit awuhambe ngithi yabo ngibuyisela emuva, because iyangitshela ukuthi angakaqedi. So I wish you guys luck. Please do not forget to subscribe and also like and share, so that, you know, for more content and ama applications into our fak.